Hello, my name is Vicky Ellis. I'm an artist weaver. I've been weaving for 50 years plus. I was originally trained as a furniture designer, but I was pretty useless at that, and then I discovered weaving. My first teacher was someone called Connie Martin. She was an absolutely brilliant teacher. She taught me everything she knew and she didn't hold back anything, which was brilliant. I use a Turkish carpet beater to make sure my weaving is really firm. I love this little gadget called a temple. It ensures my weaving stays at a consistent width. My loom is quite unusual. It's got very heavy steel beams. Here you can see the weaving is being rolled on. I always put on enough warp to do more than one rug at a time. So I've just finished this one. I'm cutting off the ends, tying them to make sure that I can carry on with the next one. This is always the most exciting bit, seeing what you've woven. Next comes the untying the ends up. It is always a bit tedious, but it means that we got there eventually. And we're not finished yet, because on the other side is a lot of work, but it's worth it, and it will all get sorted in the end. One of my weaving heroes is Sonia Delaney. I find I'm creeping more towards tapestry.